Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with the ag word family. Our first word is wag. W a g. Wag. I can see here that the dog's tail is about to wag. Please write wag. W a g. Wag. And there's our ag word family. Will you please underline the ag word family? Our next word is rag. R-A-G. Rag. See, the arrow is pointing to the rag. R-A-G. Please underline the ag word family. Ag. Our next word is bag. B-A-G. Bag. Please find the picture of a bag and write bag underneath it. B-A-G. Bag. Please underline the ag word family. Our next word is tag. T-A-G. Tag. Our picture of a tag is on the top row. T-A-G. Tag. Please underline the ag word family. Our next word is flag. F-O-A-G. Flag. Please write flag under the picture of a flag. F-O-A-G. Flag. Please underline the ag word family. And our last word is sag. S-A-G. Sag. Last box. S-A-G. Sag. Please underline the ag word family. Way to go. Please flip your paper over. Okay, first grade friends, today we are going to color by word family. Today you are going to need 6 crayons. Please listen to what colors you need. You need a blue crayon for words that end in at. You need a red crayon for words that end in ag. You need a yellow crayon for words that end in ap. You need a green crayon for words that end in an. And then you need a pink crayon for words that end in am. And I don't have a color pink on my iPad, so please take out a pink. And then you need a purple crayon for words that end in add. Please take a minute to gather all your crayons. Okay, my friends, we are going to start with our blue words that end in at. Any word I see that ends in at, I'm going to color that entire box so I can see that bat ends in at. So it is going to be blue. Right next to bat, I see rat. Rat ends in at, so I'm going to color that box blue as well. See how I'm taking my time and filling in all the white space. We want it to look really nice. Ooh, right here, I see the word cat. Cat also ends in at, so I'm going to color it blue. Coloring in all that white space. Okay, right here, I see the word cap. K-a-p, cap. Cap ends in app. So I can see here that app is supposed to be yellow. So I'm going to color that box yellow. My next word is gap. G-a-p, gap. I can see that gap also ends in app. So it is going to be yellow. Okay, my friends, my next word that I'm going to do is pat. P-a-t, pat. I can see that pat ends in at, so I'm going to color it blue. At is blue. Our next word is sat. S-at, sat. I can see that sat ends in at, which is blue. Taking my time, coloring in all the space. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause. Okay, my friends, I'm going to go down here to the bottom for a minute. I see the word p-a-n, pan. Pan ends in an, so I'm going to color that box green. Please color your box pan green. All right, next to that, I have the word can. K-a-n, can. I can see that can ends in an, which means I'm supposed to color it green. Color in all the space, all the way over here to the side. There we go. Okay, I'm going to move over here to this mushroom. I see this word here, rag. R-ag, rag. And I see that ag is supposed to be red. So I'm going to color my mushroom red. There's no other word, so I'm going to color the whole space red. Because it ends in ag. And any words that end in the ag word family, we're going to color red. I'm going to go ahead and color the base too, because there's no word there. That means it's still red. Okay, my friends, let's go to the other mushroom. I have bag, b-ag, bag. Ag, I know, is supposed to be red. Color in the circle. All right, our next one is mad. I'm going to go right here. Add, mad. You can see mad ends in add, which is purple. So please take out your purple crayon. I don't have one. And color mad purple because it ends in add. All right, my friends, I want you to continue coloring this picture by yourself by following the word family and what color it's supposed to be. You're going to do great. Try hard.